All right, today we're on Symphony of the Seas. This is room 9528 on deck 9, and this is an ocean view cabin with a obstructed ocean view. Here to my left, we have a long mirror. Here to our right, we have a pull-out couch, a vanity area with vanity light, two USB ports, 3 American style plugs, 1 European style. We have a refrigerator. Well, this is actually a cooler to keep things cool. And then we also have some drawers here for your clothes. We have this area up here that we just store things on. Television, king bed, and then on this side we do have an outlet. On this side we do not have an outlet, but we do have the telephone. And this does have a light. This side also has a night light, a reading lamp, and you can also control the main power from this here as well. Now this room does black out pretty well, so if you like to sleep in the mornings, it's very nice. Now this is a forward room, so it's very far forward. It's dark out, so you can't really see outside, but you can see a balcony that's right here, which is why they call it obstructed. But that's pretty much it. There's no other obstruction here. So this is really actually a great room. I really enjoyed staying here. And so if you can imagine, this is all ocean out here. So the obstruction is very minimal. It's just this railing, and that's all glass on the railing. We do have a safe deposit box and plenty of storage. An area to put your shoes down here. And closet area. This is our last night, so tomorrow we do get off the ship. Here's a thermostat, the light for the bathroom. It has a very large shower. So this is much bigger than what you see on other ships, so it's a great design. It does come with Royal Caribbean's 2-in-1 hair and body wash, so I definitely recommend bringing your own stuff, your own shampoo and conditioner. And this is pretty average style bathroom with 3 different shelving areas. This does have a shaver connection. And that's pretty much it. This is room 9528 here on Symphony of the Seas. It's an ocean view cabin with a slight obstructed view. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.